Mike Kellum here on the Gan Chev lot, where we are getting prepared to clear out our leftover inventory. That's right, for the first time in 4 years, we have vehicles left over at special end-of-year pricing to clear out. We've got discounts on select new vehicles and demos up to $13,500. With discounts on pickup trucks from $8,000 to $13,500, there's never been a better time to look at a new truck. Plus, some of our trucks even qualify for 0% financing. Check out this 2024 GMC Terrain demo. It's an AT4 model in the color Radiant Red, which is not one that you see everywhere. It's got heads-up display, power liftgate, Bose stereo, only 12,500 kilometers, and it qualifies for a double discount of up to $3,000, plus great finance and lease rates. These 2024 Blazer all-wheel drives both have a $2,500 Gan Chev discount. Both are the popular 2LT model with a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo engine. Each one has the gloss black 20-inch rims and come with great features like adaptive cruise and wireless charging. Both are amazing values and amazing vehicles, fun to drive, and a great alternative to many other mid-size SUVs. Don't forget to check back regularly, as we'll be updating our list of clear the lot vehicles every week. If you're looking for a new vehicle, our year-end clear out is the perfect time to buy. Text our team 613-382-2168 or visit ganchev.ca to view our inventory and book an appointment.